Kami. English.
Forward. Ang haba.
Fourth word. First word.
First word.
Nagluto ang ate.
Third.
Third word. Maybe it's cold outside. Yeah! English! 20 seconds!
What? 8 words? Six. 6